Dude?
Someone called the cops on it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Destroy It. Dude, stop screwing around. Get over here. We have things to do. They look like tennis rackets, dude. Like, it's called a racket, right? Bug zapper racket. We're going to be testing out these bug zapper.
Did you plan it to be out here? That was supposed to be just a joke, dude. It bit me good, dude.
No, stick your finger like I did. I stick my finger in there, dude. Finger. Ow! Stick your finger in there like I did. Yeah. Ow! So we are going to, number one, we're going to goof around with it and see how much we can shock ourselves.
Ugh. That was close.
Did it get you?
No.
Warning, not a toy. Keep away from children. We first have to see, number one, do these things really, are they effective? But we also want to make sure that if we are caught out in the wilderness and we have nothing out there to build a fire with but one of these, can we light a fire with it? That's the question. Let's do this, dude. Ow! First thing I wanted to do is, this is called Fire Start, Duraflame Fire Start. I've actually never ever even used this before.
Literally, what the?
Yeah. It's like, it's like a, look at this, it's like a wood. Ooh, that does smell very good. Why do we say, ooh, that smells good? Like, dude. Okay, so this is like really
Brick.
Yeah, but it's sticky.
Really?
Yeah. So the instructions say, we don't care about instructions. Let's just say we don't have any instructions. Put it in there and turn it on.
Did you do anything so far? No.
Nothing.
No. Nothing. Nothing. So these ones don't say like how much voltage is going through it, but that one does. 3,000 volts of zapping power.
Okay, so this takes 2 C batteries, which I know is not a lot more than the A batteries that one over there takes, but let's see if this one is different than that one. So far, it's just the red light turns on, and you want to touch it?
That one's harder to do because it's it's a lot more
Plastic
on it.
So, if you're out in the woods and you have just bug zapping wand, bracket, and a block of fire starter, it smells good, it's not gonna do you any good. You need to start, you need to somehow have a flame to attach to that. And I think we can probably get a flame using stainless steel scrubbers. Ooh. Dude, look at this, it's like springy.
Well, it says stainless steel.
Put it on there. Dude, you do it. Hi!
Shocking.
Did you see that little thing?
Bad stuffing guy.
So far, it's absolutely worthless. Let's move on to the copper.
Next up.
Ready? Okay.
Nothing.
Well, this stuff is worthless. How about this one? Dawn scrubbers with foam inside of them. Maybe we can start a fire with the foam. So this says it's ideal for stainless steel cookware, holds soap longer, and keeps shape after use. It's got a sponge inside. Steel mesh scrubber. Okay, we've got spark.
Still nothing though.
Really?
No smoke.
What happens if you hold on to that sponge? That's what I want to know.
Hold on to it?
Yeah. No, hold on to it and spark it.
I don't know, try it.
You try it.
You're the one.
Try it.
Yeah.
Got it, you got it. Hey! Try it. Nothing?
Nothing.
Ah! I really want to try this. This is spray adhesive. It says it is danger, extremely flammable, vapors may cause flash fire, contents under pressure.
Flash fire, like flash flood.
Ready? Pull the trigger, yo.
Nothing. Go.
Come on, light fire, light fire. We are starving, we're cold, we need fire. Yeah. Yeah! Got it!
That's actually pretty sweet. Whoa. That's pretty sweet, actually.
Dude, we just lit a fire with a bug zapper. It's not working anymore?
I don't think it is.
Whatever, where's the chain?
Ugh. Broke fire.
It's not working anymore. We broke it.
We broke it. Made fire.
Blow it out! Get rid of it! In all excitement, we forgot
to actually start
put
a fire.
our fire brick. I know now that with spray adhesive,
Start a fire.
I can start a fire. But typically when you go camping, if you don't have a match and you don't have a lighter and you have, you know, a bug zapper that's still barely working, it's working, dude.
It's working.
Ready? Oh crap. That's a lot.
Crap.
Nothing's happening. Dude, that's really gonna go.
5 minutes later.
Nothing! It's not happening.
20 minutes later.
Come on, get it lit, dude. We're getting cold. It is actually not possible using instant lighter fluid. Right on the spark. Literally on the spark, dude. So I guess we're gonna have to use spray adhesive. And it worked immediately, dude. Okay,
Oh, now we need to get the brick.
let's get our brick going. Let's see how well this brick actually lights.
I roasted my little thing.
You can get rid of that.
It worked though.
You can light a fire using a bug zapper. Oh, we're getting hot now though. Okay, lift that pan up.
Ugh. Holy cow. It's getting really hot.
Ah! There we go. Oh, that's a. Oh.
Okay, we might need the fire extinguisher.
I've always wanted to use a fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher. Woo! That was not as fun as I thought it was going to be.
Oh, but somebody's cooking food out here.
Barbecuing. Oh, dude, look at all that smoke.
Gonna be gone in like.
Get out, get out. Dude.
Someone called the cops on us.
Crap.
If that fire would have got bigger, we would have died.
We totally had it under control. Not under control. We actually had the fire extinguisher sitting right here, so I just had to have a little suspense there. But I almost did light my ceiling on fire.
Yeah, it was like probably 3 inches away from the ceiling.
So it is actually confirmed. You can, in fact, light a fire using a bug zapper and some fuel, some kind of fuel source other than lighter fluid. Lighter fluid for match light, it doesn't work.
So if you ever are in the wilderness with a bug zapper, make sure you always have a can of spray adhesive.
And then you're not in a garage, so you don't have to use one of these. No, it was further down. It was like right here.
No, stop, stop.
It's working.
There we go.
Oh, I meant it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Never forget that you are loved and
You are worth it.
See you next time on Destroy It.
Well, all of our grass is dead right now. I wonder if we can just like set it on the ground and make it
Try it. Let's see.
start fire.
Nothing's happening, dude.
Oh.
It's shocking, but it's not lighting a fire. What about if we put this leaf in there? Hey!